Huyu mganga, angalia sasa, huyu wako na hasira, kwani alikuwa anafikiria mimi nitakuwa nikicheka? Kwani wakati alikuwa na attack Matiang'i kusema Matiang'i aondolewe kwa ofisi, kwani Matiang'i sio Mkisii? Msituletee jameni bana.
Soon, the judiciary was starved of funds to implement strategic plans, with some quarters blaming the government of revisiting the historic Supreme Court ruling.
Why are they interested and interfering with our affairs? You want me to tell you why? They want to control the judiciary. They want to control the judiciary. They want to make the judiciary a puppet.
But CJ, your courts are the same ones. When we propose certain tax measures, you are the first ones to say injunction. Sasa pesa hii itatoka wapi?
The Judiciary Service Commission plans to hire more judges to expedite case backlog was also frustrated.
Judges, and the near paralysis of court operations has been caused by the President's refusal to swear in the 41 judges recommended by the Judicial Service Commission in July 2019 for appointment to the Court of Appeal